And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 81. Let me show the legacy custom shapes. In the last tutorial we've talked about the custom shape tool right here. And I've shown you the default shapes inbuilt right there. But if you're familiar with earlier versions of Photoshop, there was a giant list of icons of shapes that we could use, and they're not found here by default anymore. I don't know why Photoshop did that, but all of these custom shapes are actually still inbuilt. So even in newer versions of Photoshop, they're inbuilt, but to use them or at least see them somewhere, you have to first add them here. And this can't be done with this menu. You can just import or append the default shapes. And these are the four. So wild animals, trees, boats, flowers. You have to go to Window and open the Shapes menu. It's this little icon right here. And again, we can see our four default folders. And when we now click on the three stripes, we find an option called Legacy Shapes and More. Just left click on it, and this will add this folder now to your custom shapes. And here you'll find all of these old custom shapes that you might be familiar with. For example, a couple of arrows. And once you've added it, you will also find it in the top menu. That is, for example, create an arrow on our legacy default shapes. I left click drag on the canvas. And via the properties I can change fill and stroke. Keep in mind that when you click on it a couple of times, you will add more and more of these. It's just a copy. And you can select the folder, use the trash icon and get rid of it. Then it should also be gone for the custom shape tool in the top menu. And when we add it again, you will find it once more here for the custom shape tool. And this is where you can find the legacy custom shapes in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.